Your Wi-Fi is slower because of your microwave. Ever notice your Wi-Fi slows down when you heat up leftovers? That's because both Wi-Fi and microwaves operate on the 2.4 gigahertz frequency, originally chosen for Wi-Fi to avoid licensing fees. A microwave leaks small amounts of radiation, interfering with your connection, especially on older routers. That's why modern networks use 5 gigahertz and 6 gigahertz bands for faster speeds. Want better Wi-Fi? Move your router away from the kitchen and subscribe for more tech nugs.